Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to transfer large files using Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Let's simply try to transfer some files. On the nav bar at the top, right next to the question mark, you will see these boxes, that is, Explore More Dropbox Apps. Simply click on it and then you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, as you can see, there are multiple applications like Dropbox, Replay, Docs and everything. Simply scroll down till you see something like Transfer. Simply click on it. You will be redirected to this new page. Do note that in order to send large files, you need to be subscribed to Dropbox Professional. Now let's simply click on Create Transfer button that you will find on the right side of the screen. From here, you can simply upload the files, you can drag and drop or add it from your Dropbox. You can upload folders, files, and as you can see, add from Dropbox. Do note, as we are not in Dropbox Professional, we can only send about 100 MB of files. And guys, that is it. Simply click on Create Transfer, and as you can see, our transfer is being created. And guys, that is it. Now simply copy link and send it to the person that you want to transfer the files to. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.